Most discussions about artificial intelligence feel distant. They speak of grand theories, future possibilities, and groundbreaking technologies that promise to reshape entire industries overnight. But for most people, especially small business owners, this feels like science fiction. It's interesting, but it doesn't solve today's problems. The gap between demo AI and real-world workflow is immense. Small business owners are not theorists. They are pragmatists navigating emails, content, support, and admin that need immediate attention. Emails are piling up in the inbox, each one requiring a thoughtful and timely response. Content needs to be created to keep customers engaged and attract new ones. Customer support questions arrive not in a neat, predictable schedule, but in a constant, unceasing flow. And behind it all, the mountain of administrative work grows taller with each passing hour. A small business operates on a different set of principles than a large corporation. There are no vast departments, no armies of specialists, and certainly no significant buffer for trial and error. Every decision, every tool, and every minute is measured against its direct impact on the bottom line and the overall health of the business. When it comes to technology, especially something as powerful as AI, the criteria for adoption are ruthlessly practical. The core question is not, what is possible, but rather, what is useful right now? Small businesses don't have the time or resources to become platform managers, juggling a dozen different applications that each solve a tiny sliver of a problem. They need simplicity and integration. The tools that find a permanent home in a small business are the ones that seamlessly fit into an existing workflow. They don't require a complete overhaul of daily processes. Consider the sheer volume of writing that happens in a small business every single day. It's a constant stream of communication that forms the lifeblood of the organization. Emails to potential clients, follow-ups with existing customers, proposals to close new deals, internal notes to keep the team aligned, social media posts, newsletters, blog posts. Each piece of writing has a cost in time and attention. It adds up. The blank page is expensive. Starting from scratch takes energy. AI writing tools reduce that starting cost. They create a structured first draft in seconds. Then the person edits. These tools are not about replacing the human voice. They are about getting to a good first pass fast. You keep the judgment. You keep the final edits. The AI saves the time spent on structure, grammar, and spacing. A template must be short. It must fit many situations. Long templates are ignored. Small businesses need templates editable in under a minute. The best templates cover intent, key facts, and a clear next step. They reduce cognitive load. They make replies faster and clearer. AI can generate templates that are specific and reusable. Give it a role, a recipient, a goal. Ask for 3 tone variations: formal, neutral, friendly. Keep each variation to a few short paragraphs. Save them into your email client or a shared document. Use them daily for customer replies and partner outreach. Follow-ups win deals, not a single brilliant message. A steady sequence does. Many small businesses lack the time to send 3 polite follow-ups. AI helps by drafting those messages ahead of time and adapting them to each recipient. It keeps the tone consistent. It saves a lot of repeated thinking. A simple sequence is 3 emails over 2 weeks. The first is polite and clear. The second is concise and adds value. The third is a brief final nudge with a clear deadline. AI can draft all 3 in one session. Then you personalize 2 small lines. Send, schedule, forget. Proposals are long-form emails. They are templates with variable parts. A good proposal has a clear problem statement, a concise solution, a timeline, and price. Small businesses often copy and paste from older work. That creates inconsistencies. AI helps by standardizing language and formatting. Start with a modular proposal system. Keep short blocks: overview, scope, deliverables, timeline, pricing, terms. Use AI to fill each block from a brief description of the client's needs. Then review and adjust the numbers. This is faster than writing a whole new document every time. AI can also create a friendly summary for the top of the proposal. Internal notes are the quiet engine of a small team. They are the how-to guides, client histories, fixes for repeated issues. Without notes, knowledge lives in heads. That creates risk. Capturing notes is simple work. It is also tedious. AI makes this easier by summarizing meetings and cleaning messy text. Record short meetings or calls. Feed the transcripts to an AI summary tool. Ask for 3 outputs: a one-line outcome, key actions, assigned people. Save those to your project tracker. This creates less friction than manual note-taking. It also improves follow-through. Tone is subtle. It matters. In every message, small businesses often worry about sounding professional or sounding human. The answer is balance. A consistent brand voice reduces decision fatigue. It helps every team member communicate with the same confidence. AI tools assist by offering tone switches and small edits. Train your AI on short examples. Provide 5 to 10 sample emails that match your brand voice. Ask the tool to mimic that tone when drafting replies, proposals, and social captions. You will need to review. The AI will suggest phrasing. Keep what fits. Replace what does not. This is faster than rewriting messages manually. A tool that doesn't fit will be abandoned. Integration is the most important feature for daily use. Does the AI work inside your email client? Can it push content to your CRM? Tools that live in the places you already work get used. Avoid adding a new standalone platform unless it replaces several others. Shortcuts and macros are low-friction power. Create templates inside your email client. Add keyboard shortcuts for common replies. Use snippets for addresses, terms, and common links. When a proposal is marked accepted, send a welcome email and create a project. When an invoice is past due, send a reminder after a set number of days. Visuals are no longer an optional luxury for small businesses. They are a daily necessity. In a world saturated with information, a simple image or clean graphic can communicate far more effectively than text alone. Think about the constant demand for visual content throughout a typical business day. A new post for social media, an internal announcement, a blog post header, a promotional email banner. Before the rise of accessible AI design tools, a small business had limited options. They could hire a professional designer, which is often too slow and expensive for daily needs. Or they could attempt to create visuals themselves using complex software that requires significant training. Both paths created bottlenecks. For a small business, time is the most precious resource. This reality shapes a mindset that prioritizes progress over perfection. A good enough graphic posted on time is far more valuable than a perfect one that arrives a week late. Speed over perfection, the philosophy behind daily AI design use. AI's value is not flawless art, but sufficient, effective visuals delivered fast. The goal isn't awards. It's to drive engagement, answer a question, announce a sale. The visual is a means to an end. AI tools are perfectly suited for this pragmatic approach. They allow a user to generate a dozen design ideas in the time it would take to open a traditional design program. Social media operates at an unrelenting pace. To stay relevant, a small business needs to post content consistently, often multiple times a day across different platforms. Each post is a new battle for attention, and a compelling visual is the most important weapon. This is where AI design tools have become indispensable for small businesses. The workflow begins with a specific goal. Instead of starting from scratch, the business owner types a short description into an AI tool. Create an Instagram post graphic with our brand colors. The AI generates several design options with appropriate imagery, fonts, and color palettes. From the options, the user selects the most promising and makes minor refinements. Presentations are a constant in small business life. They're used for sales pitches, internal meetings, training sessions, and webinars. Visual design plays a significant role in how content is received. However, building a clean presentation from scratch is time-consuming and often falls to the business owner, who is already stretched thin. AI tools provide rapid slide generation. Instead of manually creating each slide, a user can provide the AI with an outline and ask it to create a full presentation with consistent formatting and relevant visuals. Beyond creating new presentations, AI tools are useful for updating existing ones. The AI can help by quickly reformatting slides, updating branding elements, and summarizing long paragraphs into bullet points. One of the biggest challenges for small businesses is the constant need for new content. A more efficient strategy is to repurpose existing content, transforming one core piece into multiple formats. AI video tools provide a way to unlock that value by transforming text into video. This strategy lets a business multiply content output without constantly inventing new ideas. The workflow is simple. Paste a blog post URL into an AI video tool. The AI analyzes the text, identifies key points, and generates a video script with matching visuals and voiceover. Repeat the process to make multiple formats from the same source. Create a 2-minute summary for YouTube, then ask for 5 short vertical clips for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Brand consistency is the quiet hallmark of a professional business. It's the subtle sense of cohesion when your website, social media posts, and emails all feel connected through repeated use of the same colors, fonts, and logos. For a small business where multiple people might be creating visuals, maintaining consistency can be challenging. Without clear guidelines and easy tools, the brand's visual identity can become fragmented. AI design tools solve this by making it simple to create and enforce brand consistency through intelligent templates. Most platforms allow you to set up a brand kit with your logo, colors, and fonts. Once established, the AI uses it as the default for every design. When you ask for a social media graphic, the tool automatically applies your predefined brand styles. Customer questions are not an occasional event. They are a constant, unending stream that flows into a business every single day, through every channel imaginable. Email inboxes, social media direct messages, website contact forms, live chat widgets. Each question represents a person seeking help, information, or reassurance. A quick, helpful answer can build loyalty and lead to a sale. A slow or unhelpful one can drive a customer away forever. For a small business, this constant flow presents a significant challenge. Every question requires a timely and accurate response. The sheer volume can be overwhelming for a small team. The nature of these questions is often highly repetitive. A large percentage of inquiries tend to be about the same handful of topics: business hours, return policy, order status, shipping information. Think of an AI support tool as a digital receptionist for your business. It is the first point of contact for many customers, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When a customer types a question, the AI instantly analyzes it and checks its knowledge base for a relevant answer. If it finds a match, it provides the information right away, resolving the customer's need in seconds. This immediate response is a powerful tool for customer satisfaction. In an age of instant gratification, waiting hours for an answer to a simple question feels frustrating. An AI that can instantly provide information meets the customer's expectation for speed. This not only resolves their immediate issue, but also creates a positive first impression of your business as being responsive and helpful. The customer gets what they need without waiting, and your team never had to be involved. Beyond answering simple questions, one of the most valuable roles an AI can play is that of a digital triage nurse. Not all customer inquiries are created equal. A question about a forgotten password is very different from a complaint about a major product failure. An AI can automate this sorting process, saving time and ensuring that the most critical issues get attention first. This triage process works by teaching the AI to recognize keywords and sentiment within incoming messages. When a team member logs in, they see neatly organized queues: urgent issues, sales inquiries, technical questions. They can immediately focus their attention where it is needed most, tackling high-priority tickets first. This system ensures that a critical issue from an unhappy customer doesn't get buried under routine requests. It brings order to the chaos and allows the team to work proactively rather than just reacting. The brain of any customer support AI is its knowledge base. This is the centralized repository of information that the AI uses to answer questions and resolve issues. Without a comprehensive knowledge base, the AI is useless. Therefore, one of the most important operational tasks for a small business is to build and continuously improve this central source of truth. The good news is that this effort serves not only the AI, but also your human team and customers directly. The process begins with collecting your most frequently asked questions. You can start by looking through past support emails and chat logs. What are people asking about every single day? Create a simple document and list these questions. For each question, write a perfect, concise, easy-to-understand answer. This is your chance to craft the ideal response, free from the pressure of a live customer interaction. Consistency in communication is a cornerstone of good customer service. Every customer should receive the same high standard of information and tone, regardless of which team member they interact with. AI takes this concept to the next level. Instead of 50 static canned responses, AI creates dynamic, context-aware templates. AI can generate multiple variations of a single response, one formal, one friendly, one empathetic. AI integrates directly into help desk or email software, suggesting responses as you type. As an agent begins to reply, the AI analyzes the customer's message and surfaces the 3 most likely responses from your library. One click inserts the pre-approved text. The human role shifts from writer to editor. The agent adds personalization, using the customer's name, referencing specific details from their message. No AI, no matter how advanced, can handle every customer issue. There will always be situations that are too complex, too emotionally charged, or too unique. Recognizing the limits of AI is just as important as understanding its capabilities. A well-designed support system must have a clear and seamless escalation path, a process for gracefully handing off a conversation from AI to a human agent at the right moment. The AI should be programmed to recognize when it is out of its depth. If the AI fails to find a relevant answer after 1 or 2 attempts, it should offer to connect the customer with a human team member. When the customer agrees to speak with a human, the AI should collect necessary information and create a support ticket with full context. This prevents the customer from having to repeat themselves. If AI writing and design tools are the visible assistants that help with active tasks, automation tools are the invisible engineers that work silently in the background. Automation is the quietest yet often most powerful form of AI in a small business. It is the practice of connecting different software applications and creating rules that allow them to talk to each other and perform actions without human intervention. Think about all the small manual data transfer tasks that happen in a day. A new lead comes in from your website. Someone has to copy that information into your CRM. A customer makes a purchase. Someone has to add their email to your newsletter list. Each task is simple, but together they represent a constant drain on time and focus. They are also prone to human error. A name can be misspelled, a lead can be forgotten, a file can be missed. The power of automation is best understood through simple, practical examples. Starting with a few easy recipes can immediately reduce manual work and improve daily operations. These recipes follow a "when this happens, do that" structure. Let's explore common workflows that a small business can set up in minutes and benefit from for years. Each one handles a specific, repetitive task quietly and reliably in the background. A classic recipe is for lead management. When a new form is submitted on my website, then create a new row in a Google Sheet. This creates an instant organized log of all incoming leads without manual copy-paste. You can add a second step. Create a new card in my project board under the New Leads column. Now the lead is both logged and entered into your project management system as a task to be followed up on. While simple automations provide immediate value, the true power is revealed when you connect multiple systems into a cohesive, multi-step workflow. This is where you move from saving minutes to saving hours, from automating single tasks to automating entire processes. By chaining several automated actions together, you can create a seamless flow that guides a customer or project from start to finish with minimal human intervention. Let's imagine a complete customer onboarding workflow. It starts when a new client signs a proposal using DocuSign. This single event triggers a powerful chain reaction across multiple systems. The signed contract is saved to Google Drive, a new project is created in Asana, an invoice is generated in QuickBooks, the client is added to your email list, and a welcome message is posted in Slack. This entire sequence happens instantly and automatically. Our journey through practical AI has deliberately avoided the spectacular. We have not focused on tools that promise to revolutionize industries overnight. Instead, we have centered our attention on a much quieter yet far more profound transformation. This is the shift in mindset from chasing novelty to embracing reliability. For a small business, the value of technology is not measured by how impressive it looks in a demonstration, but by how consistently it performs in the background of a busy workday. The tools that truly make a difference are not the ones that create a brief moment of awe, but the ones that deliver a steady stream of small efficiencies day after day. This focus on reliability changes how we evaluate and choose the tools we bring into our businesses. By taking on predictable, low-judgment tasks, these tools free up a business owner's most precious resources: their time, attention, and mental energy. This allows a fundamental shift from being an operator to being a leader focused on strategy, relationships, and growth. We've covered a lot, but the real value comes from applying that knowledge. The goal isn't to feel overwhelmed, but to feel empowered to take a single, small step forward. Progress is made through consistent, incremental action. So, your task is to choose one thing and apply it this week. A great place to start is the Quick Wins section. Choose just one template and block out 30 minutes in your calendar to implement it. Second, observe your own work for the next week. Jot down every repetitive or time-consuming task you perform. This list is your roadmap for what to tackle next. Remember, the goal is calm, consistent progress. Integrate these tools gradually, one at a time. By focusing on real-world use, you will steadily build a more resilient and efficient business. The journey starts now.